We're just going to treat some telangiectasia here with the Vbeam pulse dye laser. I'm going to use the 3x10 spot size. I've set it to 14 joules, and I'm going to pulse here, and you'll see that going to go away. Gone. It's going to turn a little purple there, and then that's a normal response, and over the next few days that purple is going to go away and the vessel will be all gone. Let's get some of these around the nose. Any of this diode sometimes helps me look and find them. When they're teeny tiny, you can barely see them with the eye. But this light helps us look at them and find them.